start the 4th of July off with a cool little install. Finally, the first install. We got a couple packages already for the Golf. They're all back there. I don't know if you can see APR, CTS Turbo logos. But we're gonna kick off the Golf with some drop springs, and they're not just any drop springs. They're adjustable drop springs. They're H&R VTF drop springs for 2019 Golf R. So this is what it's compatible for. So when I was looking for drop springs and like suspension wise, I didn't want to get coils, I didn't want to get bags. I wanted to keep my dynamic, I don't know what it's really called, but it's the stuff where when you change it from comfort to sport, the technology the car comes with stock, I wanted to keep all that. So I was gonna get drop springs, but the drop springs that they had were like 0.2 drop, 0.6 drop. Wasn't really like worth it, wasn't really noticeable. So I was like, So I found these H&R adjustable springs where it's like 1.4, 1.8, I think. I'm not too sure, but it's above 1 inch drop. And I was like, those are the ones, so let's do that. So I picked them up and we already got the car jacked up right here. We're gonna start with the fronts. The fronts look kind of easy. Psych a lot! I'm not gonna walk through it too much. I'll record little bits and pieces here and there, but we're just trying to get it done. It's 4th of July, and yeah, hope you guys like it. All right, so first of all, I mean, I'm pretty sure maybe I'm just new to this because I'm new to Europeans, but Volkswagen uses a knuckle concept where the strut goes inside the knuckle. And basically you have to like spread right here, this little gap, you have to put something in between flathead or a 1/4 inch ratchet, something just to spread it open. And then you could slide the bottom of the strut out. So this is the strut right here. We just put the H&R springs, the adjustable springs on. We had a little issue with trying to figure out on the instructions. It says the OE sleeve. Basically the OEM sleeve comes with this. So when you take the spring off, this little sleeve right here has this on top. You just pull this off, and then essentially you put the sleeve inside the adjustable coilover thingy that H&R has. So this is what ours looks like for reference. And yeah, as far as taking things out, it's just the 3 on the top, 14 millimeter triple square with the 18. That's about it. I mean, and then you want to take off your end link thingy just to, because this is connected to the actual strut, and you need every tool possible to get this knuckle opened up. That way you can take it out. So we just put the drop spring in. Kind of difficult, but it might just be because this is our first time. This is my first time diving in a VW, and it's European and stuff. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put the one drop spring on. We haven't even done any of the other ones. We just wanted to figure this one out first, and then maybe tackle, hopefully the other side will be easier. So yeah. All right, so it's the next day. We finished the fronts yesterday, and the drop was actually really good. I'll show it once we finish the rears right now. The rears are 10 times easier. Literally, we're about to finish the right side. We already did the left side, and everything is gonna be done after this one. But literally, it's, you take off these two bolts to the control arm, and these are two 18 millimeters. And then back here, right behind the spring, right about here, is a 16 millimeter, kind of like a end link. You want to take this off and you pop that out, and this whole thing should be able to just fall down and the spring comes out. So these are what the drop springs look like, and these are my new wheels. These are Revolves. I'm not too sure what the model is, but they're gunmetal face with chrome dish. They're super dirty right now. The whole car is dirty. But this is how the car currently sits. Huge difference. These are 18s also. I'll put pictures up with when I had the drop springs on the stock wheels, the stock Pretz, which were 19s. But these are 18s, no spacers. Fitment is pretty good. You know, nothing crazy. These are the rears. Definitely gets rid of that wheel gap. Overall, I'm loving the way the car sits right now. But yeah. All right, so that's gonna do it for this video. If you like the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, subscribe. Hit the subscribe button because there's a lot that's already done. It's already August, and I'm barely just editing all these videos from last month because there was a lot of packages just coming in and we were just installing. I was recording as much as I can, but I didn't really have the time to edit. So now I'm editing them. I don't want to say too much. The videos will be posted pretty soon. So like I said, hit the subscribe button. Leave a comment down below what you think about the wheels, what you think about H&R's adjustable springs. I think they're the best springs on the market. In my opinion, you get the most drop compared to the other brands. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.